Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing review of the Gerber Super Mini, the Mini, what is this one called? SUSPENSiON-P series. So I was saying before, it's weird that this says nail file right on there. If I could get the camera to focus, there we go. So, what I'm saying, that's just weird. It says nail file, yet the nail file is way over here on this side. It's not in the middle where it's like, oh, nail file, you just flip it open. No, so I mean, that's like weird. And it almost looks like it's a little hidden compartment, but it does nothing. Enough of that. The next side we have a little knife, which is fine edge blade. Well, it is sharp. I will give it that. How sharp is it? Maybe sharp enough to cut a piece of bread, a thin piece of plastic, butter your toast, add a little bit of jam. It's a knife that's roughly around, that sharp. Is it going to open up anything fit like plastic like this? I doubt it. Maybe to stab at it, but to like kind of get in there and cut it open, no. Plastic like I don't know, sample like this, yeah. A bag of crackers, a bag of sunflower seeds, sure, it'll open them. But anything else, no. And again, I don't know how you can see this, but it says blade, and blade's not even right there. Like, this guy has no idea where to put things. Let's see what else we have. So we have our tweezers. Our tweezers definitely are a bigger and better improvement than the tweezers that came with the greenhorn. The greenhorn tweezers are like a spear toothpick, really. To be honest with you, they're like I always said, like a toothpick. At least these tweezers are more tweezery, like where you could grip them better. They hold on and pull things better. Come on. Yeah. The other one, complete garbage. Except for maybe the toothpick. That was like the only thing that was great out of it. And then you have medium and small. Oh, yeah, the bottle opener is also a medium head, medium flat head, and then the small flat head is this little one right here, which just looks pretty darn stupid. It almost looks like a money clip, or even a mini pocket clip. You know, hold it like this, doesn't it? Kind of look like a little mini pocket clip. So I guess that is all 11 tools in here. I mean, everything opens up and closes easily, unlike the other products they made. I mean, this one, kind of hard to open up. Nothing of value except for the toothpick on the greenhorn. With the two folders, the Scout and the Sheath folder, they're okay. Nothing really too bad about those ones. The little pocket holder, the belt clip pocket, does not fit these. This one's too big. This one's too small. What's odd is, on this one, he did not even give you the little pocket guide. Because the other ones, let's see, where did I put the pocket guide at? Oh well. Forget about it, it's kind of useless anyway. But yeah, usually he gives you one of these little pocket guides. And I think it's kind of odd that, you know, since this is going to be in your pocket, he doesn't have a pocket guide. Because, I mean, this one you can use a little bit more versatile, I think, in a survival situation, you know. Maybe you have something that you have to twist with, you know, a pair of pliers or something, twist or bend, you know. Twist like some wire, maybe bend like a pop tab or something into like a little fishing hook to go, you know, emergency fishing or something. I mean, you got the knife on there and stuff, but I mean, yeah, it's kind of odd that, you know, he doesn't have a pocket guide that comes with the MiNi SUSPENSiON-P, nor is there any like little pocket holder to, you know, put this in, which is kind of weird. Because, I mean, you've seen other ones like Letterman and other ones, and sometimes they'll give you like the little thing to put in, like a little case type of thing like this. But just from this guy, I mean, you think that he could afford to give out this little pocket guide with every single product. Considering that this is going to be more in your pocket than, let's say, anything else, really. Sure, you could argue and say, well, a pocket knife is going to be in your pocket. Yeah, I could understand that, but I mean, this, you know, I see a little bit more versatility than, you know, a pocket knife. It's a knife. Stabbing, slashing, cutting, open. Maybe scraping some wood for some kindle. Maybe if you have a ferro rod, you could get some sparks going. Yeah, that's about it. Well, this one, you know, cutting, snipping, pulling, twisting, turning, slicing, dicing, like a freaking infomercial, you know, of the more uses for that. But, yep. So, that has been the unboxing review of the Gerber Bear Grylls MiNi Suspension P series of these multi-tooled / you know, Letterman photo pocket pair of pliers. I mean, I don't know what else we keep on calling this thing. It's like all those things. But yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe bell, that notification bell. Yeah, hit that notification bell. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. And leave a comment down below in the description. Alright, thanks, bye. Oh yeah, by the way, link to his website down below in the description there. But the website's not really going to be that helpful. Alright, thanks, bye.